JSCOW. People who criticize sequels unduly tend not to understand how sequels are structured. Sequels are designed to enlarge on the original property. The original, in the case of any sequels, the original will remain the most potent form, probably, because that's the only point at which it's new. When you sit down to do sequels, it's always about making them bigger, faster, longer or more intense. So when you do sequels, you have an invisible cadre out there of people waiting to jump on you for the first deviation from the original film, which proves they don't understand what sequels are about all along. Look what you did, you ruined everything in the first film, you ruined all this stuff. It's like, what are you talking about? The first film is still there. Go watch that. If you're gonna pick that nit, and these are usually by, like some guy in Iowa who reads Entertainment Weekly and thinks he's a fucking director. So, the criticisms aren't worth anything to begin with, but a lot of people scream when you do anything different from the original template. And unless you just want to do a straight-ahead carbon copy, you have to vary it. And kind of the mandate of sequels is to make it different and make it bigger and twist it all around. Look at the first Alien movie. It has one alien. Look at the second movie. It has hundreds of them. That's the idea.
This was back in the
Well, that's enough of that crap.